Beautiful day. Sheesh. Ain't a cloud in the sky, man. You guys see it though. Obviously, a lot of you guys have seen this plenty of times, but for anybody that hasn't, figured we'd stop and take a little overview of it. You know what I'm saying? Actually, hold up. Let me do this right. I honestly don't think I turned them enough from the looks of that tire. It'll do, you guys get the point. But yeah, man, here it is. Dirty ass Scat Pack, wide body Scat Pack. Carbon fiber spoiler. If you guys are interested, I have one of those for sale. Got the 5-inch tips. You guys already know what that is, $13.91. Apparel link is in the description. What's up, my boy? Here's the cows, carbon fiber splitter. And I also have a carbon fiber diffuser for sale. I didn't put it on here because I didn't really want to drill any holes. It's supposed to fit OEM, but you kind of have to drill some holes just because it's not a perfect fit. But if you guys are interested in a carbon fiber diffuser, I got that. So yeah, there it is. The 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Scat Pack wide body. All right, man, let's get back up in this thing. Continue our ride. So as you guys can see, we're going on a little ride today. Probably won't be too much talking in this one, you know, just gonna let you guys vibe out and listen to the sounds of this naturally aspirated V8 6.4 liter Hemi engine. Beautiful day today. So we'll get a couple of views for you guys. Obviously, I love the POV view. That's my favorite to watch, my favorite to do on and off the court. But we'll do this one, and then I'll also have another one. You guys probably seen it in the intro, where you guys could be right by the exhaust and, you know, get that up close and personal sound. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, like, comment, subscribe. It helps out tremendously. I appreciate it greatly. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Got a little Challenger behind us. You know, try to keep up. We got a car in front of us though, so I'm gonna slow down a little bit, let them get a little bit ahead. That's a Porsche, and this dude going slow as hell. We would get stuck behind the car. it's so damn hot. I knew it wasn't that hot. I got the damn heater on. Don't worry, we're gonna come back through here, so on the next pass it'll be just us. What the hell is that all about? lie to you guys, I was mad nervous. I was nervous that whole time. Hold up. This is a good sounding part of the drive right here. Had to make sure to get that little sound clip for you guys. But I was nervous that whole time. I was just looking in the rear view, looking in the mirrors, making sure that thing didn't fall, praying that thing didn't fall. That was the first time I've done that. I know it's like the GoPro mount, it's a legit GoPro mount and it's like secure and all that, but I don't know, I just get, you know, nervous, man. I ain't trying to lose a GoPro. These things are expensive. I ain't balling like that yet. I bet I had the power boost on and it was all zoomed in, so the camera view will be a lot better now. God damn. They need to fix that. Doesn't sound too bad, huh? How about with the windows up?